Desperate pleas from a father and his son as they say their only source of income has been taken away from them by the police. They're accusing the police of ill treatment. We have more in this report. Gentle Barrows and his son Aston sell ground provision, fruits and vegetables for a living. They say they take the produce on credit from farmers in St. Elizabeth, sell it in the corporate area, then pay their debt and provide for their family from the profit. But last Thursday, things took a different turn. After collecting the produce in downtown Kingston, they pushed their cart as usual to Halfway Tree in St. Andrew while selling on the way.
We don't have a direct spot, so push round and round. And we are pushing just to go start sell. Here come the police drive down upon way and say, "I'm a charge for exposing goods."
They were instructed to push the cart to the Halfway Tree police station where the melons, grapes and other food items were transferred to a police vehicle. The younger Barrows was charged and his father journeyed to Central Village in St. Catherine for documents to facilitate his bail. He says since then, they have been pleading with the officer to return the goods as it's their only source of income.
Him said to we say, "Listen, me carry your load, carry the load them go home, go give it to 3 different places."
They are again demanding answers regarding the proper procedures for goods seized by the police. We tried to get details from the Halfway Tree police, but they refused to comment, directing us to the Corporate Communications Unit, CCU. However, queries there were futile.
This is the CCU, Corporate Communications Unit, and we don't do service like that. However, I can give you a number for Halfway Tree. You can call them and find out exactly what is happening.
Well, we actually called Halfway Tree, we went to Halfway Tree and they directed us to CCU.
No, but we don't do good seizures, sir.
I know you don't do it, but they're saying information-wise we should talk to you.
So we wouldn't have any information on that either.
It's still not clear what the JCF policy is regarding disposal or return of seized goods, but the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, says when perishable goods are seized by the municipal police, they are either returned shortly after with a warning or kept until a fine is paid or the court issues an order for it to be returned. In the meantime, 1 week later, the Barrows family have not been able to get back their goods, even as farmers continue to demand payment for the goods they credited. They say the rest of the family, including young children, are also looking to them for support, factors they also put to the officers as they sought answers.
Him say no business if them want eat, if they want go to school or them dead, that is not for him business. Him a do him work. We have beg the Prime Minister, we have beg the opposition, we have beg people for help. We don't know what we have to do right now. We have to hide from we yard. Me no want me picnic go grab chain. Me no want him go thief. When my little 13-year-old daughter, this morning, I couldn't find lunch to give her for go to school. And the mother give her bus fare alone and beg me to go beg people lunch money. Carry it go around at the school.
But always a fair live like that. We tell the police I run with them and take away things I can't give to if nothing. The Lord trust from St. Elizabeth to farmer. Come at town, come steal trust to we. Thousands of youth downtown Kingston live off a trust load.
They are hoping for compensation soon.